What is going on, dude? I'm horrible with upside down. I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it. I'm horrible with upside down. Oh. Wait, I should have taps on. Why is it not on, dude? Show taps. Look, no model menus or anything running in the background. Here's no taps. Here's proof that that part. Damn. Well, this is it for this video. If you want to, you can like and subscribe. I'm not gonna force you or anything, so yeah. Bye.